Hello and welcome to the English Hour. My name is Chantel.
And I'm Dylan. We are so happy you are here to learn English with us.
Today we have a very important topic. We are going to talk about speaking to strangers.
Talking to new people can feel a little scary, especially in a new language. But don't worry.
That's right. We will teach you simple and polite sentences you can use. Our goal is to help you feel more confident.
Exactly. You know, Chantel, I remember when I was traveling in a new country, I was lost. I had to ask a stranger for help.
Oh, really? Were you nervous?
Yes, very nervous. But I used a simple phrase, and the person was so kind and helpful. It was a great experience.
That's a great story. It shows that talking to new people can be a positive thing. You can get help, make a new friend, or just have a nice conversation.
So let's begin. Part 1. How to start a conversation.
Okay, Dylan, so what is the first step? If I see someone I want to talk to, what do I do?
The first step is to get their attention in a polite way. The best phrase for this is, excuse me.
Right, excuse me. It's simple and very useful.
Yes, you can use it almost anywhere. On the street, in a shop, at a train station. You say, excuse me, and then you can ask your question.
Let's talk about asking for help. A very common reason to talk to a stranger is to ask for directions.
Exactly. So you can say, excuse me, where is the library? Or, excuse me, can you help me please?
Using please is very important. It makes your question more polite.
That's a great point. Let's do a small role play. Chantel, you are lost. You want to find the post office. I'm a stranger on the street.
Okay, I'm ready. Here I go. Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help you?
I'm looking for the post office. Can you help me, please?
Of course. The post office is on the next street. Go straight and turn left. You will see it.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. See? That was perfect. Simple, polite, and you got the information you needed.
And it's important to always say thank you when someone helps you.
Absolutely. Another easy question is asking for the time. You can say, excuse me, what time is it?
Or, excuse me, do you have the time, please?
Both are perfect. It's a very quick and easy way to talk to someone.
Okay, so we can ask for help. What is another way to start a conversation?
A very friendly way is to give a compliment. A compliment is when you say something nice about a person.
That's a lovely idea. For example?
You could say, I like your hat. Or if someone has a dog, you can say, your dog is very beautiful.
People love to hear nice things about their pets. That is a great conversation starter.
It is. But one important rule, be honest. Only give a compliment if you really mean it. People know if you are not sincere.
That's very true. A sincere compliment can make someone's day.
Okay, this is a good moment to practice. We will have a listen and repeat section. I will say a phrase, and then you, our listeners, can repeat it. Chantel will repeat it too, so you can hear it again.
I'm ready. Let's practice together.
Ready? Let's start. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
Where is the bus stop?
Where is the bus stop?
What time is it, please?
What time is it, please?
I like your jacket.
I like your jacket.
Great job, everyone. Practice these phrases. You can say them in front of a mirror to build confidence.
That's a wonderful tip. Okay, so we know how to start a conversation. What's next, Dylan?
Next is part 2, how to make small talk.
Small talk. This is a short, polite conversation about everyday things, right?
Exactly. After you ask for the time, for example, you might have a minute or two of small talk. The number one topic for small talk in many English-speaking countries is the weather.
Ah, yes, the weather. It's a safe topic. Everyone can talk about it.
Right. So you can say something simple. If the sun is shining, you can say, it's a beautiful day, isn't it?
Isn't it is a tag question. It's like asking, do you agree? It invites the other person to respond.
Yes, and they will probably say, yes, it is. It's lovely. And now you are having a conversation.
What if the weather is bad? If it's raining?
You can say, terrible weather today. Or, I hope this rain stops soon.
And the other person will probably agree. It's an easy way to connect.
Another good small talk technique is to talk about your shared situation.
What do you mean by a shared situation?
It's something you are both doing or seeing. For example, if you are waiting in a long line, you can say to the person next to you, this line is very long today.
Oh, I see. Or if you are at a cafe, you could say, the music in here is nice.
Perfect. You are talking about something you both can see or hear. It's a great way to start.
Now, a very important part of conversation is listening. How can we show that we are listening?
Great question. You can use small words and sounds like uh-huh, or right. This shows the other person you are paying attention.
You can also use short phrases. For example, if someone says, I just moved here from Brazil, you can say,
Oh, really? Or, that's interesting. This shows your interest and makes the person want to say more.
and you can ask simple questions to continue the conversation.
Yes, for example, do you like it here? Or, what do you do? But remember to keep questions simple and not too personal.
That's a very important point. Don't ask about age, money, or politics in small talk.
Right. Keep it light and friendly. Other good topics are hobbies, food, movies, or music.
You could ask, have you seen any good movies recently?
Or, this restaurant is great. Have you tried the pizza? Simple questions about things around you.
I think it's time for another listen and repeat section. Let's practice some small talk phrases.
Excellent idea. Remember to repeat after me. Ready? Let's go. It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
The bus is late today.
The bus is late today.
Oh, really?
Oh, really?
That's interesting.
That's interesting.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Very good. These phrases will help you keep a conversation going.
Okay, we have learned how to start a conversation and how to make small talk. There is one more very important part.
Yes, part 3, how to end a conversation politely.
This is so important. You don't want to just turn and walk away. That is very rude.
Right. You need a closing phrase to signal that the conversation is finished.
What are some good closing phrases?
A very common and friendly one is, well, it was nice talking to you.
I like that one. It's positive and clear. Another one is, it was nice to meet you.
Yes, it can also be helpful to give a small reason for leaving. For example, anyway, I have to go now. I'm meeting a friend.
That's a good idea. It helps the other person understand. You could say, I need to catch my train, or I have to get back to work.
Exactly. And after your closing phrase, you should say something pleasant.
Like, have a nice day.
Perfect. Or have a good one. Or take care.
Let's do one more role play. We are at a bus stop talking about the weather. I need to leave because my bus is coming.
Okay, I'll start. I'm glad it's not raining anymore.
Me too. Oh, look, that's my bus coming.
Okay,
Well, it was nice talking to you. Have a good afternoon.
you too. Bye.
That was perfect. Friendly, polite, and a clear ending.
Yes. And now I think our listeners are ready for our final listen and repeat section.
Let's practice how to end a conversation.
Ready? Repeat after me. It was nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you.
It was nice to meet you.
It was nice to meet you.
I have to go now.
I have to go now.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Take care.
Take care.
Fantastic work, everyone. You are learning the full cycle of a polite conversation.
We have covered a lot today. Let's do a quick summary of everything we learned.
Good idea. So, rule number 1 for talking to strangers, be polite and friendly. A smile is very helpful.
Yes, to start, get their attention with a polite excuse me.
Then you can ask for help, like directions or the time, or you can give a sincere compliment.
For small talk, remember the safe topics, the weather, your shared situation, or general topics like food and movies.
And show you are listening with phrases like, oh, really? And that's interesting.
Finally, when you are ready to leave, end the conversation politely. Use a closing phrase like, it was nice talking to you.
And don't forget to say, have a nice day.
That's everything. It seems like a lot, but you don't have to be perfect. The most important thing is to try.
That's right. So we have a small challenge for you, our listeners.
Ooh, a challenge. What is it?
This week, we want you to try to start one small conversation with a stranger. Just one.
That's a great challenge. It can be very simple. You can ask the cashier at the supermarket, how are you today?
Or say, I like your dog, to someone at the park. Just a small step to practice your English and build your confidence.
Remember, every time you practice, it gets a little easier. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning.
Most people will be happy that you are trying to speak their language. They will be patient and kind.
Well, that is all the time we have for today's episode.
Thank you so much for listening to the English Hour. We hope you found it helpful.
Join us next time for another lesson to help you improve your English.
Until then, keep practicing. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, everyone.